Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is class 11th project and the topic is geostationary satellite. This is my project. Now, first of all, let me show you its working. Good morning. I am Vinay of class 9th D. As you can see that I have worked on something related to Earth, that is geostationary satellite. A geostationary satellite is an Earth orbiting satellite placed at an altitude of approximately 35,800 km directly over the equator, which rotates in the same direction in which the Earth rotates, that is west to east. A geostationary satellite has its own orbit called geostationary orbit, also referred as geosynchronous equatorial orbit. An object in this orbit has an orbital period equal to the Earth's rotation period. Here, this object is geostationary satellite. So, the orbital period of geostationary satellite will be equal to the Earth's rotation period and one sidereal day. By an observer on ground, the satellite appears to be motionless in a fixed position in the sky. Geostationary satellites are very helpful. These are used for tracking volcanic ash, oceanography, global telecommunication, weather forecasting, cyclone path prediction, providing real time cloud coverage, etc. Some advantages of geostationary satellite are: the satellite is positioned relative to Earth's antenna, so it doesn't need to be turned around, and due to their high altitude, the satellites are ideal for meteorological purpose. I hope you like it. Thanks. So friends, this was the presentation for this project. I hope you like the video. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks.